Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be showing you my newest fall journal. This is one that I made using a napkin that I found at the Goodwill bins. It's a one signature journal and it has this beautiful tassel on the side. I had found these cookie cutters at the bins. They were a fall leaves. I think it has an acorn in it too, but I thought I could add that to my tassel. And then I added a crocheted doily on here, some leaves, this really beautiful fabric, and then I found this vintage trim. It's like a ribbon or like a, it looks like burlap with different colors in it, but it's probably like jute twine woven into a ribbon. But that was from, oh, let's see, it was at a resale craft shop in California that I went to with my friend Michelle. So anyways, I made this journal using that napkin, and inside of it is an Amazon envelope like this. I recycled it. I will be doing a tutorial on how I did this, but yeah, that's what I use. So it's makes a really fun crunchy noise there. You know, like the fall leaves crunching under your feet. So this tie is sewn all the way around. I sewed scrapbook paper on the inside, so the envelope is in between. And this is a really fun tag I made. That is a napkin. Vintage library Dewey Decimal System card. There's a belly band. This was one of my fall embellishments that I made. I do have a video on that. Over here I have a vintage Betty Crocker card. Now this book will be in my Etsy shop, so if you want to check that out, you can. This is just an envelope. I sewed it, and then it has a little tuck spot there. This was another embellishment that I made. A card. This is I believe I've got this paper on Amazon. It is a natural paper, like handmade paper. I'll try and link down below if I can find the link. Here's a vintage playing card. Another embellishment that I made, just an altered ticket. This is a fun card. I made a pocket on this side to add some embellishments. This is a vintage worksheet or workbook page. This is a really fun napkin. Actually, this was the napkin that I used on that tag in the front. I made some coffee stained paper, and then this is, I sewed on some pom-pom trim on the side. This is from an Ideals book. I'm sorry, I keep moving the book over, so hopefully you're able to see all these pages and I'm not out of frame. This was some paper I made with real fall leaves. It's just printing, or like putting paint on the back of the leaves and pressing them onto the paper. I think that turned out really pretty. This is a vintage book page of a really fun, cute little fall book. here is just a coffee stained paper. It has a vintage playing card in there. I have a leaf stamp, so I stamped that. It's the other side of that paper. I just think it turned out so beautiful. This is an envelope, and there is a tag that I made. It's a book with book pages. This is a vellum leaf. That's really pretty. I just sewed it. I cut it in half and sewed it down the side there. So that is a little tuck there. And then here's some vintage trim that I had in my stash. This is an actual real leaf, and I painted it with some metallic paint. This book has 3 altered paper clips. Or no, there's 2 altered paper clips, and then there's some other tags in there that you see. This is just a little embellishment that I made. And actually, this is a sticker that was stuck on there accidentally. But I'm going to stick this in. This is a sticker from my friend Jacqueline over at Lovely's Crafting Lodge. I don't know why that was like accidentally stuck there, because it's not, the sticker hasn't been peeled off. But this was an embellishment, as I was saying, that I made out of, I think I used paper from a tea bag and then some flattened out real flowers in there. So that's, and then this was a die, metal die that I had in my stash. So I'll stick the sticker in there somewhere. It'll be attached, or just attached with a paper clip. This is just some fabric that I had. On this side here is a book page embellishment that I made. I made that into a tuck and just added a couple things in there. This was a Thanksgiving little goodie bag that I attached. And then there's another book page tag that I made. Another little embellishment. Now we're looking at the other sides to all these papers. This is a really cute little tag. This is stamped with a little bear. That's cute. And then this is some leaf trim that I sewed on. It's like a felt. I don't remember where I found that. And then here is an altered coin wrapper embellishment that I made. This was part of my 5 fall embellishments video. Also, this little safety pin embellishment over here. And then this is another, I'm sorry, that's our tornado drill. Tornado drill, if you heard that coming through, comes every Wednesday. Another tag. This was coffee stained, and then I stamped on it. And then here is another Betty Crocker vintage recipe card. And then this is the last, the inside cover page, and this is a frame. I had this from my scrapbooking days in my stash, and you pop these pieces out. You can cut this off and use it as a decoration on a page or a title. And then this is a frame, and this is a frame. Ooh. Sorry, I had to pause that for a second because it was really loud, and I'm not sure how it's going to come through on the video. Anyway, that is And well, then here is the last page, the inside cover. So I have a vintage playing card, this little vintage money, another little tag. It has a squirrel stamped on it, and this pumpkin pick. And there is the back. So yeah, I really love how this turned out. And as I said, I'm going to do a tutorial on how I made the cover. So stay tuned for that. If you are interested in this book, it will be in my Etsy shop. I also am doing another fall journal series of a journal that I started back last year. And so if you haven't seen any of those videos, I'll try and put the link down below for them. I will be finishing that book up soon, and that will also be in my Etsy shop. So yeah, go ahead and check those out. If you're not able to pick it up out of my Etsy shop, I just hope that this gives you inspiration for your fall journals. And thank you for coming by. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.